In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix chat settings in Roblox Mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now I'm in Please Donate right here, and on the top left, you're going to see a little chat icon. So if I go ahead and click on that, I'm going to see a lot of different chats. I can also type myself, but if you're not seeing this option, that could be for various reasons in your settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the Roblox icon on the top left, then just press leave and leave this game. Then from here, I'm going to be on my home page. On the bottom right, I'm going to see more. So go ahead and click on that. Then all you got to do is just scroll down a bit. You're going to see settings. Click on that. Then the third option from here is going to be privacy and content restrictions. So just go ahead and click on that. Then the third option inside privacy and content restrictions is communication. So once you click on that, you're going to see experience chat as the very first option. Now, if you have it set to no one on direct chat and experience chat, you want to set it to everyone, because if it was on no one, that could be why you weren't seeing your chats on any of the games that you're playing on Roblox. So make sure it's on everyone for both, like direct chat and experience chat. And if you want to use voice chat, you can also enable the microphone from here as well. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.